nigga.
In a real way, I'm taking all Reggie fades. You know what I'm saying? All you from Streamer University, Kai Sanat had over 250 people at his pool party, but that's
Bro, listen, let me say this, Aaron the plumber. That fade shit that you was pulling out, bro, we're off that, bro. Like, you gotta start doing backflips or some shit. We're done. Like, nigga, no one, like, what are you talking, like, fades? Like, that shit was cool. I think that cool shit was, like, it's over, bro. Like, relax. How you, like, what? What? Like, what are you, like, what? No.